Hello, dear wonderful folks. Namaste, all. This is Aditya wishing all of you a very happy Vijaya Dashami. And on this pious occasion, I have written down few lines that I would like to dedicate to this very festival and to all of you. The title of the poem is Vijaya Dashami, the triumph of light. And that's how it goes. In the heart of autumn, when the sun begins to wane, a sacred flame burns bright again. Vijaya Dashami, the day of victory and grace, a timeless reminder of our soul's eternal embrace. From the depths of ancient lore it came, a festival of courage with Rama's name. The day he vanquished Ravana's pride, in Lanka's flames evil could no longer hide. But this is more than a tale of war. It's the victory of dharma, near and far. For Vijaya Dashami is more than a story told. It is a truth that runs through veins of gold. The triumph of good, the fall of deceit, a cycle of renewal that is ever sweet. In this world of shadow, despair, and doubt, we must remember what this day is all about. The end of darkness, the rise of light, a chance for the human spirit to take the flight. Durga, the mother with 1,000 arms, slays the demon with her fearless charm. The Mahishasura, wild with rage, falls to the power of her sacred stage. This is the dance of life's eternal play, where truth and justice find their way. On this day, Rama's bow was drawn, the arrow flew, and a new dawn was born. But deeper still, the mind's own war, where demons within lurk at the core. It is in this battle that we must see the heart's own fight for purity. Why celebrate? Why rejoice and sing? For in this ritual, joy does spring. It is a chance to shed the old, the past, to break the chains that hold us fast. In the ashes of Ravana's fiery fall, we see the rise of justice for all. For humanity to survive, to grow, to thrive, we must keep this ancient fire alive. In a world where greed and fear run wild, here truth is lost and faith beguiled. This festival calls us back to grace, to remember love, to embrace the race. Vijaya Dashami, a beacon bright of virtuous strength, of justice's light. It tells us that no matter the pain, righteousness will rise again. The world today, so fractured and torn, needs the spirit of this festival reborn. We must remind ourselves that evil can't stay when the light of dharma leads the way. For every Rama, in every soul, the defeat of Ravana is a goal. And every Durga, fierce and strong, teaches us to right the wrong. So let's celebrate this sacred day, not just in ritual, but in every way. We live our lives with heart and soul, with dharma as our guiding goal. The benefits are vast, the reasons clear for celebrating Vijaya Dashami year after year. It unites our hearts, it lifts our voice. In righteousness, we make our choice. It renews our hope, it clears our sight. In the darkest times, it brings us light. In unity, we burn Ravana's effigy, a symbol of victory, of setting free our doubts, our fears, our selfish mind, and step into the path that's right. For if humanity is to endure, we must keep our spirit pure. Celebrate this festival with all your heart. Let its wisdom never depart. For Vijay Dashami is not just a day, it's a call to live in a righteous way. And as long as we heed this ancient call, humanity will rise above it all. Jai Shri Ram, Shiva Shambho.